Omar. There you go. Congratulations. Good job. Michael. There you go. Congratulations. Way to work hard. Paisley. There you go. Oops, sorry, Paisley. There you go, Paisley. Tate. Nice job, Tate. Way to work hard. And Keeley. Nice job. Way to work hard. All right, these are our first graders, student of the month.
First grade student of the month.
All right, these are our second grade student of the month for the month of September. Brooklyn Wilson. No, Brooklyn. Is Brooklyn not here? Sorry. Braden Bird. There you go, Braden. Congratulations. Ethan Tolman. Good job, Ethan. Way to be. Tessa. Good job, Tessa. Congratulations. Sophia. There you go, Sophia. Congratulations. And Gavin. There you go, Gavin. Congratulations. These are our second graders, student of the month. Good work. All right, Santa Clara Elementary. This is our third grade students of the month. They are Wyatt Mills. Congratulations, Wyatt. Alexa Little. Congratulations, Alexa. Jackson Eicher. Congratulations, Jackson. Jolie Hogan. Good job, Jolie. And Shad. Good job, Shad. Thank you. These are our third grade students of the month for the month of September. All right, these are our fourth grade students of the month for the month of September. Aiden. Congratulations, Aiden. Good job. Ellie. There you go, Ellie. Congratulations. Addie. Congratulations, Addie. Brooks. Is that right? No? Sorry. Brooks. Congratulations. Brooklyn. There we go. Sorry. And Kiabe. Congratulations. These are our fourth grade students of the month for the month of September. These are our fifth grade students of the month for the month of September. Briley. Congratulations, Briley. Good work. Thomas. There you go, Thomas. Congratulations. Ellie. Congratulations, Ellie. Michelle. Congratulations, Michelle. And Rilla. Congratulations, Rilla. These are our fifth grade students of the month for the month of September. These are our sixth grade students of the month for the month of September. McKaylee. Congratulations. Eli. Congratulations. Taylor. Congratulations. Jacob. Congratulations. Colin. Congratulations. And Ashton. Congratulations. These are our sixth graders, students of the month for the month of September. All right, now, let's.
City.
Oh, good idea.
Recorded this part. Students of the month for